Hey everyone, so Boodle fight. Family, ministry. So they are preparing the pancit for the visitors. Hey everyone, it's 2:20 a.m. and galing kami sa Lamintina. So I'm changing the pillowcases. Blessed morning. Sino kaya tong katabi ko? Si mama pala. Dito kami ngayon sa blowout and birthday ni Luis, architect Luis. Yeah. Hi guys. So let's escort them inside. It should be blue.
Sa Barangay Baksio, kung saan kami pumunta na kilanit.
It's Saturday night and practice time. Hey, so I have a parcel. Look. These are my recent purchases. It's past 10 p.m. na. That's why we have to sleep because may church pa tayo bukas. And marami pa tayong gagawin. Let's pray. Nilalamig na ako. Lamig na. I got this sa garden ko. I'm painting and I'm exploring the brush technique. I do it like this lang. Hoping the good outcome. Guys, may bisita ako. Uy, ganda bebe ko ah.
Wala kasi akong ganito ba? Mais na tayo. Gulo-gulo na yung papa ni Ninang.
Uy, ang sexy model ka dun oh.
Model only. No, model kami ni Pusing kami.
Tayo ka dito sa taas ah.
Dito ka. Dito yung lahat.
Siguro yung kayong tatlo nag-mix.
Hiloy vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Pero yung gano'n, ewan ko rin gano'n, ang baba. Nag-extend kayo? Then what? Huh?
1 week.
1 week pa? Before you leave? Really? Let's have some merienda. Nag-sim lang siya. Good evening. May nilagay ako sa face ko, that's why. Ganito ang look. Anyway, let's read our Bible before we sleep. Blessed night. Honor! Honor! Honor!
Anin, tara na.
Nga to. B.
Last days of our inang. Kunara mo.
Let's go. Eh. Takas sa takas.
Inikat the G ko.
Hey everyone, so leaving ng lola namin today, mamayang 12 sa Forest Lake, and umabsent na ang Arky, but I woke up early because that's my cousin guys, nurse, our nurse. Quick change. Guys, so we are not yet done, but we are here with Babaita again. Happy birthday! Slice it na!
Baka
Cherry on
mamaya
top.
may magsabi ng happy birthday.
Hindi ko maano to. Is it your birthday?
Trip lang namin.
Nag-cake. Hindi, it's a celebration. Yay! Celebration of life.
Sa'yo to, okay. Pero ikaw yung entertain.
Then you entertained her, sabi.
Yeah. Oh, I think I need to buy tissue.
Tissue, me too. Hi everyone, I'm a bit tired today. Anyway, we have to sleep early. Kahit ang dami pang naiwang gagawin. Blessed night. So, I'm fixing my bags. I'm gonna place the other bags here. Hey, so ganap na adult na talaga tayo because we are gonna use this na. Look at the sea. Paalis na daw yung bagyo eh. But it's high tide pa rin. Be safe everyone. And yung eyeglasses. John 9. Guys, I'm with Ate Jen. Chika minute kami. She's with me tonight. Yung. Hug mo na ako. Hug na. Hug mo na ako. Hug. Oh, video ka mo ta. Birthday boy. Birthday boy. Happy birthday. Hi. Video. Say hi to my vlog. Hi people, you say. Huh? Hi people. Hold my hand. You're so pretty and cute.
Ang laro na ito ay tatawagin namin.
By the way, I'm making my sharing for Wednesday na. And this is very special for me. Wow! Pink po lahat talaga. Ay, nalangaw. Oh, masarap yan galing Davao. Oh. Ha? Guys, we are walking to church. So, nakuha ko na yung souvenir ko. And it's so cute!